rewind the clock back to Friday and look at some of the big movers that we saw. And the price action, volume, delivery stats, etc. as always. Hormuz is here with exactly that. Hormuz, over to you.
Good morning, Prashant. And there were lots of movers in the broader markets on Friday's session. And you start off with a name like South Indian Bank. And the Bank Nifty, of course, did really well in Friday's trade. Now, South Indian Bank has done well in the last 8 sessions, has gained in 7 of them. The stock was up 10% on Friday, as the biggest single-day gain since January of last year. And more than 11.5 crore shares were traded on Friday in comparison to a 20-day average of just 85 lakh shares. And out of those 11.5 crore shares, 4 crore were marked for delivery in comparison to a 20-day average of around about 50 lakh shares. Delivery-based buying seen in South Indian Bank. The stock is up 20% so far this month, making it the best month that the stock has had in this calendar year. Gokaldas Exports, we mentioned this on closing bell on Friday. The stock raise gaining around about 8%, the biggest single-day gain since May. Volumes were the highest in over 2 months. 22 lakh shares were traded, 20-day average here being 4 lakh. And out of those 22, 8 of them were marked for delivery, a 20-day average here of close to 2 lakh. The stock is closed above its 50-day moving average at 753. The next level on the upside comes up the 100 DMA, which is around 839. Tata Communications was one outperformer on Friday among the Tata Group names, and in the broader markets in general. It was the 6th day of gains for the stock. That 10% gain was the biggest single-day advance since April of 2020. The intraday gains were even higher. The volumes of Friday were the sum total of the last 35 sessions put together. And you saw over 1.5 crore shares that were traded on Tata Communications compared to a 20-day average, which is just 2.5 lakh shares. And out of those 1.5 crore shares, 23.4 lakh shares were marked for delivery. Here too, the 20-day average is only 1.5 lakh. And lastly, Yes Bank, among the outperformers on Friday, has gained in 8 out of the last 9 trading sessions. The stock, 55 lakh shares were traded on Yes Bank, 20-day average of 9.5 lakh, and 19 of those were marked for delivery compared to a 20-day average of 4.5 lakh. The other good bit is the fact that the stock trades above the SMBC deal price, which was around 21.5 rupees a share.
Thank you very much for that.